Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can transfer cryptos from your Coinbase to your KuCoin account. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, whenever you're transferring cryptos to your external wallet, you need to copy the wallet address first of all. So first thing you need to do is log in into your KuCoin account. Once you're logged into your account, next interface, click on Asset in the top right. After you click on Asset, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you need to click on the option that is main account. As you click on main account, you'll be directed to this kind of interface, and on this page you need to click on deposit in the top right. As soon as you click on deposit, you'll have an option to select the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit or that you want to receive. So here you need to select the cryptocurrency. Once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, next thing you need to do is receive, and after that you need to copy the wallet address. Once you've copied the wallet address, instantly log in into your Coinbase account. After you're logged into your Coinbase account, next thing you need to tap on trade icon, and after you tap on the trade icon, you'll have two different options, that is transfer and receive. So then you need to click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, next interface you'll be asked to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer, and once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, next thing you also need to enter the amount of cryptos that you want to transfer it to your KuCoin account. After that, you need to enter the wallet address that you've recently copied, and once you've done pasting the wallet address, tap on confirm. Once you do that, next thing you need to do is confirm all of the information that you've provided. So you need to double check all of the information, and if you're sure about it, tap on transfer now. After that, you'll be notified that you've transferred cryptos from your Coinbase to your KuCoin account. And that is how you can deposit funds or transfer cryptos from Coinbase to your KuCoin account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.